Hi traveler, are you think in the next trip? No problem. We are recommending the beautiful place, the Stone Peñol. I see you images of the place in the monitor. Well, travel itinerary information. The next trip will be made to Guatapé, Colombia, a beautiful place full of many activities to do where you will find very good times, good food, and it will definitely be a place of your liking in which with little money you can have the unique experience. In this place, nothing is unpleasant. Neither the weather, nor the people, nor the landscape, nor absolutely anything, since it is the place that you will like. These places closer to Medellin, we are can reach in the 2 hours by car. This place is designed to rest, play, sport, swim, run, ride a boat or helicopter. Good easy adventure that you will enjoy very much. It is a short experience since this place is small, but 3 days are enough to enjoy it. The first day you will be able to enjoy the main attraction to the east, Peñol Stone, where are the 6 steps with which apart from exercising you will climb approximately 220 meters. That measure this monolith and the top of the stone here are several restaurants and craft shop where you can do many beautiful things at night. You will enjoy the beautiful hotels that are around the stone. On the second day, you will be able to carry out the activity like around reading about through to down, reading the helicopter or horseback. Reading it's really nice and really love this part of the trip. And the at night studying in glamping. It is a beautiful experience. And finally, on the third day, you can run to Guatapé, a very beautiful color town with very friendly people, delicious food, and very beautiful architecture. Transportation. This is definitely very versatile, since it can reach it by motorcycle, car, bus, or helicopter, as been seen in occasions. There are village campers where you can travel in the old way, enjoying the landscape, and small recommendation is travel in your own vehicle for mobility to be good. Activities to do. The main activity to do is to climb the penguin stone. It is a good exercise since you must climb 720 steps. After that, there are activities of the horseback riding, boat, and even helicopter arrival. You can look for a hotel in Peñol, in the entrance beautiful and cheap hotels where you can enjoy both the stone and the dam. On the second day you should stay in the hotel in Guatapé since the colonial style of the town and the colors are things that make it you fall in love with the place. Without mentioning the gastronomy and the strip of the umbrella, which are very beautiful and where people usually take some beautiful photographs. Place to stay. The first place is the Hotel de Santa María de las Aguas, which has all the service you can use, such as Wi-Fi, television, air conditioning, swimming pool, and in the shower while you are swimming, the water mixes with the edge of the dam, with a cost of 216,000 Colombian pesos. The day in the night a very comfortable experience, which I recommended. The second place is the borough that the farm from Benin is the beautiful, cozy, and very familiar place with a terrace, food, and Watson on horseback is a good place to the end experience. Typical foods, Benin, Antioquia. The typical dish is of the region is the paise tray, with its usual pork rings, chorizo, ground meat, an excellent idea to stay very tasty food. In addition to the mazamorra, these are dishes that they are understood and Antiochian in addition to delicious gastronomic samples such as stuffed patacon or others. Cost. To begin, the cost is the ticket to the place is 100 Colombian pesos from the city of Bogota. Another 415 for the stay in the mentioned hotels, and 300 for food for the 3 days of stay, and the addition cost to mule horse are 70 per person, 180 for the boat ride on the dam, and 280 for the 10-minute helicopter ride on the dam, which you should consider since it is a formidable experience. I can see the images of the place. I can see the stone, peñol, water, and different hotels, helicopter, stone peñol, and boats. Thank you.